Hello children, how are you all? You all are safe at home? Once again we are back to our English class. Children, yesterday you understood that Toad lost his button and Toad and Frog came in search of it. But Frog found black button. Toad knew that was not its button, but also it took and put it in the pocket. After that, who came? Yeah, Sparrow came and showed another button. But the Toad told that it was not its button. He told that his button has 4 holes, not 2 holes. But what he did? He took that button also and put it in his pocket. What did the Toad do? He did not agree. He told that his button has how many holes? 4 holes, not 2 holes. But again he took that button and put it in his pocket. Till here you all understood, no? Today let us know what happens in the remaining part of the lesson. Let's go through the text, children. Then Toad and Frog went back to the woods to look for the button. Children, now again Toad and Frog went into the woods to search for the button. Here is your button, said Frog. That is not my button, cried Toad. That button is small. My button was big. But he put the small button in his pocket. Again the frog said, Here is your button. But the toad cried and said, That button is small. My button was big. But again he put that small button in his pocket. Now frog and toad went back to the river. They looked for the button in the mud. Here is your button, said frog. That is not my button, said toad. That button is thin. My button was thick. But Toad put the thin button in his pocket. Both of them went back to the river and they searched for the button in the mud. The frog found the button and said, Here is your button. That is not my button, again Toad said. He told that his button was thick and that button is thin. What did the toad do? He did not leave the button. He took the button and put in his pocket. The two friends looked some more. Then Toad became angry. He jumped up and down and shouted, The whole world is covered with buttons and not one of them is mine. Then what happened now, children? The two friends again searched some more, but did not find Toad's button. So the Toad became very angry. What did he do? He jumped up and down and shouted, The whole world is covered with buttons, and not one of them is mine. Toad ran home and slammed the door. Slammed means shut with force and loud noise. There on the floor, he saw his white 4-holed big thick button. Oh, said Toad, it was here all the time. What a lot of trouble I have made for Frog. Now what did the Toad do, children? He ran home and he shut the door with force and loud noise. Then at last what did he see on the floor? On the floor he found his own button. It was white with 4 holes and thick button. What did he say? Oh, I got it. The button was here itself. I simply troubled the frog. Toad took all of the buttons out of his pocket. He took a swing box down from the shelf. Then he sewed the buttons all over his jacket. Sewed the buttons means used needle and thread to fix the buttons on the jacket. See, what did the toad do next, children? He took all of the buttons from his pocket. He taken so many buttons, no children. He took off all the buttons out of his pocket and he took his sewing box from the shelf and sewed the buttons all over his jacket. Next day, Toad gave his jacket to Frog. His friend thought that it was beautiful. He put it on and jumped for joy. None of the buttons fell off. Toad had sewed them on very well. Next day, what did the toad do? He gave the jacket to the frog. The frog put the jacket, it was very beautiful, and it jumped for joy. Toad had sewed the jacket very neatly that none of the buttons fell off. From this story, what you will understand, children? Whatever things if we lose or anything, we should first search around us and then you have to go and search everywhere. That's a kind of wasting time. But in this story, you can find though the toad wasted the time in searching the button, it used the time in a good way. So children, we also should save and not waste the time. Though we wasted, we had to use it in a good manner. Children, now all take your pencil and underline the word thick. 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 Shouted. 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 Slammed. 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 Trouble. 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 Underline the word swing. 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 Complete this table. See, in the first column, they have mentioned place and person. Second column, type of button. First one, field. What type of button did the toad get from field? Very good, black button. You have to write here, black button. Meeting with sparrow. What type of button did the sparrow get? Button with 2 holes. You have to write here, button with 2 holes. Next one, oots. Small button. Fourth one, river. There they got thin button. We have to write here, thin button. Children, complete this table and send it to my WhatsApp number, okay? Continue the new words, okay children? Thick, thick. Next, shouted, shouted. Shouted. Slammed, slammed. Slammed. Trouble, trouble. Trouble. Swing, swing. All take your new page and write meanings, put the date, okay? First one, oots. Land which is full of trees. Second one, slammed. Shut with force and loud noise. Third one, sewed. Used needle and thread to fix. Children, all had to spell and write, okay? Children, read the lesson 5 times. Study the spellings and meanings. Okay, bye. Thank you.